Children, hello, welcome to mathematics class. Yeah, in the last video we have been dealing in the first chapter itself. Okay, in the first chapter integers, exercise number 1.3. So in that we have been come to the fifth main, that is find the product using properties. We have been dealt with many of the properties, right? So like that we have been finished with the A and B main. So now we are supposed to go for the C main, that is 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. So check it out, children. Is there any common in this? No, sir. Right? So now we can go for the next property, that is to rearrange. So like that, when we are going to rearrange, we need to have something like a common thing. Right? So now for the 15, I want to go for here in this 15 into minus 25 is there. 5 5s are 25. It is getting as a odd. So then if I make it like a 25 with a something like 15, if I take out. So inside we take it as minus 25 as it is. Then next I am going to take a minus 4 as it is. The next minus 10 also as it is. I make this as a one group. Okay, why I did this? Okay, here I am getting as a 25 4s as 100, and that 100 can be multiplied with this, isn't it? But which property I used? I used over here with the commutative property, right, children? That is to be mentioned, commutative property. Okay, so then next, check it out. I write 15 as it is outside. So then, as you know, minus into minus is plus. Okay, that plus I am going to write off here. The 25 4s are 100. Okay, so into minus 10. Okay, so the next 15 I write as it is. So the next 100 and here 10. Okay, so plus into minus is minus, 100 10s are 1000. Okay, so the next here outside plus and inside minus, minus into plus, minus 15 ones are 15 and that 3 zeros makes minus 15,000. Correct, children? Yeah, now we can go for the D main, that is minus 41 into 102. Check it out, there are only two numbers. How I can do? Here is a 41, here is a 102. Check it out, check it out. Okay, this can be split as a two numbers, as a 102. That I can write it as a 100 plus 2. So there it is going to be used like a one of the property, right? So I write as a minus 41 as it is. So then next into this 102 is going to become 100 plus 2. If I write like this, I am going to remember with one of the property, that is distributive property. Right. I mention here as distributive property. Okay, distributive property says that we have to multiply with this completely. Okay, so you know 41 tables, children, very easy, no? So like that we need to go for first multiplying with the minus 41 with 100. So let me write minus 41 into 100. So it comes in the one of the square bracket into the next minus 41 into 2. This let it come in the one more square bracket, isn't it? So the next minus into plus will be minus. Okay, so 41 ones are 41 and that 2 zeros. Okay, I want to remove that bracket. Then next here minus into plus will be minus. 41 2s are how much, children? Very good, 82. Okay, two symbols are there, so I want to put a bracket. So the next minus into minus will be plus, that I don't want to mention. So here just we have to go with this. Wow, 4100 into 82. So very headache. So this 82 will come over here. So check it out, children. Here it will not come as a into. Why? Because it is a distributive property. Here we need to mention with a plus. So here also it will be plus. Okay. So then I need to add these two, isn't it? So both are in the negatives. So when the sum of a negative integers will be, we are supposed to go for a positive, right? So let me write one more step. Minus 4100 plus into minus will be minus 82. Okay. So then two negative integers need to be added off. So the next minus becomes the same case. So then 4100 minus 82 is, that is 4182. Yeah, children, now we can go for the E main. The problem is 625 into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. Here we are getting a one common, that is 625. But there is a minus symbol is not there. But that can be adjustable and we can use which type of a property? Distributive property. So that distributive property if we use, let me take 625 at the one side. Okay. So then if I take 625 outside, so I am going to take in a square bracket remaining here. What is remained here? Minus 35 remained here. Okay. So then I have taken only 625 outside, right? So then I can take here with a plus inside. So then what is their symbol for the 65? Plus. I can take that one in terms of a minus as a 65. So that this minus is going to change it as a plus to this. Okay. So it is going to be mentioned like this. It is a plus 65. So the next here I need to mention the which property I have been used. I used as a distributive property. Okay. Distributive property. What that distributive property says that A of B plus C it is. So A of B plus C will be A plus B into, sorry, A into B plus A into C, right? So that is the reason. So that we have to make, that is at the top, right? A into B plus A into C. So that is been mentioned here like a of B plus C. So then next here what is there in this bracket that we have to do? So then it is 625 will be like this as it is. So then minus 35 plus into minus 65. So that I am going to mention with a one more step. Minus 35 plus into minus is a minus 65. So the next 625 as it is. So the next this into makes like this over here. Minus 35 minus 65. Add them off. Why? Because both are negative integers, right? So that we are going to get it as minus 100. Okay. So if I get it as a minus 100, so 1 into 625 is 625 itself. So minus into plus is minus these two zeros I can mention over here. So the answer is minus 62,500. Correct now, children? Yeah, children. Now in this F1, 7 into 50 minus 2. It is just like again a distributive property, right? So A of B minus C. So A of B minus C says that A into B minus A into C. Right? According to that, I want to take a 7 outside. Sorry, that is already outside. So 7 into 50. Okay. 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2. Okay. So the next step will be 57 I want, right? So if you don't know 50 tables, just make 7 5s are 35 and the 0. Okay. Minus 7 2s are 14. So then what will be there now answer? 350 minus 14 gives 332. Understood, children? But we are not mentioned, right? We have to mention here as it is. We have been used distributive property. Okay, children, distributive property it is. Check out, children. Here it is 50 minus 14. It is 336. Okay. Next, we are in the G main, that is minus 17 into minus 39. Okay. So minus 29, not 39. Okay. So in this, what we have, the problem is here minus 17 and minus 29. In this, I cannot go for direct multiplication. Why? Because it is both are odd numbers and it is taking a lot much of time. So I want to use a again distributive property for this. Okay. So I take minus 17 outside. I write this minus 29 as like a minus 30 plus 1 I can write. It will become a minus 29 only. Okay. So now I can use which property? I can use again the same thing, distributive property. Distributive property. Okay. So then in the distributive property says that A of B plus C gives A into B plus A into C. Okay. So the next first A is minus 17. Okay. Into minus 30. It should be there in one of the square brackets. Then plus of, that is minus 17 will be in the one of the bracket into 1. Okay. So the next, 17 tables, right children? Minus into minus will be plus. 17 3s are how much children? 51. Okay. So and that 0 is there, no? That I can write it as a 0. The next plus I write as it is 17 ones are. That is 17 only, but minus is there. We have to write that minus. Here this minus into minus has become a plus. So the next now here 510 plus into minus is a minus 17. Okay. 510 minus 17 is 493. Understood children? Okay children, we can go for the last, that is a H main. So in this, if we see, we cannot cancel this 57 and 57. Why? Because middle 57 is there. So we can again use a distributive property. So I will show you how to use that. So now I can write next this same as minus 57, okay, into minus 19. Okay, here only the changes is plus 57 I write as it is. Here if I make this one with into 1, so I can see here the common in the both side as a 57. Correct na children? Okay. So then if I take 57 as a one of the thing like a common, what I am going to remain with? I am going to remain here with a 57, and here I need to multiply this one with a 19. Okay. So then next plus 57 into 1. Here both the negatives were being taken off. Okay. So the next here 57 I want to take as a common. So then next what I remain here in the left hand side? I remain here left hand side with a 19. Okay. Then at the right hand side, not right hand side, at this side it is plus 1. So the next here I can mention it as 57 and 19 plus 1 is a 20. Okay. So then next 57 2s are how much children? 114, and that 0 can be taken out over here. So then I got the answer as 1140. But which property I have been used over here? That I have been used over here as a distributive property. Distributive property. Okay children. So then like this we have been dealt in the exercise number 1.3 up to 5th main H. All the problems finished now. So for the rest of the problems we can go for the next video. Okay children. For any doubts you can call and contact me. Okay. Bye bye.